In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to generate free AI images that you can use to advertise your businesses, services, or just for some personal ideas. So yeah, let's get right into it. So step one, all you want to do is to go to the site binge.com. You want to go to binge.com. Now once you go to binge.com, you'll be taken to the main Binge page. Now once you're in the Binge page, you simply want to come here to where you have images. You want to select images. And now once you've selected images, you simply want to come here to create. As you guys can see, we have several options over here, but then you want to come here to create. Now once you select create, you simply want to insert your prompt. So first step is to go to binge.com, second step is to go to images, and now once you go to images, you want to create your images from the prompt. Now all you want to do over here is to describe the exact way you want the image to look like. Now let's say I have a business that is called Kid Care Services. So all I simply want to say is to insert a man with a black t-shirt and on it Kid Care Services. Now once you're done with exactly what you want to write in, you simply want to click on join and create. Now you can come here to sign in with a personal account. Now in case you don't have a Microsoft account, you simply want to come here to create one. But I do have an account, so I'm simply going to log in. So as you guys can see, I've logged into my account. But then this is what was generated. Haha. But then let's look at the prompt again. A man with a black t-shirt and on it. Okay. What we inserted is missing. So yeah, what's missing here is the Kid Care Services. But then let's just change it to a female. I think a female will make things better. So now let's say a beautiful lady. A beautiful lady wearing a red t-shirt and written on it is Kid Care Services. Now once you're done with the prompt, you simply want to come here to create. So let's see what it's going to generate for us this time. So yeah, just like what we're doing, you basically want to do the same thing for your business or for whatever style you want to just use. So it's generating. So as you guys can see, Kid Care Services, Kid Care Services. And now once you're okay with the one you want to go for, you simply want to select it. And now once you select it, you just want to come here to download, save, share, whatever option you're okay with. So I'm basically gonna download it. And yeah, there you have it guys. We have the image already. So you can as well apply this to whatever business you're doing just to attract more customers or more clients. If you surely learned a lot from this video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, drop a like on the video, and also share if you want to. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.